So hi guys, welcome back to a new video. And in this video, we will be starting, I think, vectors for very long. We'll be solving the SDLBits questions on vectors. So yeah, we'll start with the. So initially we have finished all the basic problems. Now we'll move to vectors part. So yeah, first we'll analyze what is a vector. Like vector is nothing. It's like a group of uh, signals, like group of, let's say, let's say you have a wire. Okay, by default it it will store 1 bit value only. Okay, but if you define that wire, let's say 3 down 0, okay, and you type the name as my name only, Ayush. Okay, then it will be created like that. Okay, so this is that. Okay, and it will be like A0. So Ayush 0, Ayush 1, and then 2. One more. Like it's a, uh, so yeah, 3. So this one indicates MSB. This one indicates LSB. Let's say you wrote something like 0 down to 3. So the MSB will be this only and LSB will be this. I will explain you by this. 0, 1, 2, 3. So this will be the MSB bit. This will be the, and whatever the value you store in this, okay, you understand. And if the instantiation is like this, it will be like MSB will be 0, 2, 1, like this. This is the typing style of that, writing style of those vectors. Are nothing, just a group of signals like that. So we'll move to the first problem, and this in this first problem we have to build a circuit in which it has 3-bit input. Okay, 3-bit input. Okay, okay. So I will also tell you that negative ranges are also allowed in this thing. Let's say you wrote 3 down minus 1. It is also a correct form of writing that thing. Matlab, that wire you can define at this. So negative ranges are also allowed in this. ठीक है. So we'll move to the first problem. Uh, I'll tell you more about vectors while solving all those problems. So you'll get a bit deep understanding of that. So in this problem, we have that 3-bit input. Okay, 3-bit input is there, and outputs are of same vector. Okay, means like 3-bit output is also there. Okay, and in that separate 1-bit outputs are also there. Matlab one output is 3-bit. One output is combined 3-bit. ठीक है, and these are 1 1 bit. ठीक है, these are 1 1 bit outputs. ठीक है, so now we have to do now we have to connect this 3-bit input to this 3 input bit input and 0 1 2, and whatever the value will be in this input, add this element position, 0 position, we have to give it to this O0, and whatever the value will be at this first element position, we have to give this at this position and like that to there. So you understood the question, right? It's a very easy problem. So we'll solve. Okay. So we'll use assign statements. Assign. So first we'll assign that 3-bit input. The assign output B is equals to that input. Yeah. So in that we have to completely give that 3-bit input into that 3-bit output. Okay. So we'll use those things. And in other thing we will use partial selection. Partial selection of vectors. We'll use partial selection. I'll write the code. This what is the output? Okay. So O2 is connected to O O2 is connected to output. O2 is connected to MSB bit of input vector. Okay, MSB bit of input vector. So assign O2, and here we will write 2. This is the way of partially selecting an vector. ठीक है, ठीक है, 0 1 2 0 1 2. So you wrote O2 2. So in that, whatever the value will be there, let's say you have installed 0 or 1, whatever the value will be there, uh, a- at this second position, it will be assigned to the output O2. Okay, you understood? Output V. Here we will write O2, and here we will write vec, because vec is the input. Okay, similarly we'll use for other also. O1 is equals to vec vector, and then we'll use O0 vec 0. Yeah, right. So we'll submit. So this is the way of partially selecting an input vector or a vector. Okay, whatever the vector is there. So we'll submit it and we'll see what is the compilation results. So yeah, it is showing success. Okay, let's examine the waveforms. So we said that output input vector is this. Input vector was this thing. It was a combination of 3 bit input. ठीक है, it was a 3-bit input. ठीक है. So yeah, so this is 7 6. So I think you will understand in this manner also. ठीक है, whatever the input vector is there, exactly the output V, this output V was also the 3-bit 3-bit, okay, 3-bit output vector. That's why it is assigning the same values. But we have partially selected O2, O1 and O0. O2 was whatever the value will be at that second element, it will be directly assigned to that O2 position. And O1 was like whatever the value will be at that index 1. Okay, this is the index 1, right? So the value will be assigned to that. So this was the analysis. Okay, next we'll move to next problem. Yeah, so here will be we'll see more about what's a. Okay, let's say hmm, so I already told, like now it's perfect. Okay, so how to declare a vector? First of all, Mm. Let's say I told you whatever we write here, it will be MSB and it will be LSB. ठीक है, and then the name. ठीक है, this is like common declaration we use. ठीक है, so negative values are also allowed. ठीक है, negative values are also allowed. So I'll tell you an example. Let's say you have 2 down -1. So how you will write that array? How you will write that registered? I will tell you. So this will be the LSB position. Okay. Then it will be go to 1, then 2. This will be the physical significance of that thing. Did you understand, right? This will be the physical significance of that. ठीक है. Okay. One more turn. We have to understand Indianness. Like they like there are two types of Indian, big Indian and little Indian. ठीक है. It is nothing. It just tell you the direction. ठीक है. How at which memory location the vector bit is assigned. ठीक है. Let's say in little Indian. ठीक है. LSB the LSB is assigned to the least significant way. So the LSB is assigned to the lower index only. ठीक है. Like 3 to 0 is there. ठीक है. So this is the LSB part, right? And 0 is the lowest. मतलब 0 is less than 3, right? ठीक है. That is why it comes under little Indian. And in big Indian, it is like this is LSB. This is the LSB, least significant bit. But it is assigned to the l- higher index. ठीक है. Higher index means like 3 is greater than 0, right? So the index number is greater than MSB's index number. ठीक है. Did you understand, right? This is also same in when you study the computer architecture, right? So in that also, whenever the LSB or the is assigned to the higher memory address, it will be termed as big Indian case. And in that, whenever that LSB is assigned to the lower memory address only, or so it will be little Indian only. That's the concept. ठीक है. So yeah, so we'll learn about implicit nets. So these nets are this means automatically generated or automatically inferred nets. Automatically inferred nets. Like they they got generated on its own by that compiler you can say. ठीक है. But they got generated on its own. ठीक है. You didn't declare all those things. I'll give you one example. Let's say here you can see it's written wire. ठीक है. A and C they declared. ठीक है. A and C they declared two vectors. ठीक है. Then they assigned A some value. ठीक है. Then B is equals to A. They didn't declared B. ठीक है. And they assigned the 3-bit value. A and C are 3-bit vectors, right? So, and they assigned 3-bit values to B. Okay, so B is equals to 1 is like automatically created wire, like it got created. Default value of wire is 1 bit. Okay, default value. But when you have to increase or increase the limitation or increase the size of that with, you have to declare it like they have done, like it's a 3 bit. But if you didn't do, automatically they will declare it as a 1 bit wire only. Okay, so that's the problem. So then they uh, transfer the B value to C. ठीक है, and B is like B is storing only 1 bit value only. ठीक है, so they transferred, and C is like 3 bit wire, 3 bit wire. ठीक है, so it got the value stuck to 001. ठीक है, but initially value of A was 101, so we lost this bit. ठीक है, अभी these are the automatically inferred nets. ठीक है, now we'll move to a good concept. Mostly it is used in system Verilog. Uh, Packed arrays versus unpacked arrays. ठीक है, अभी what is an array? Array is like collection of, ठीक है, you can say collection of data having same data type. ठीक है, ठीक है, the data type is same, and it's I'll give you one example. And what do you mean by unpacked array? ठीक है, unpacked array is nothing. ठीक है, when you are declaring an array, ठीक है, let's say you declared an reg, you are declaring a memory. ठीक है, and then you are मतलब whatever the value is there, 8 down 0. ठीक है, so this name, first you wrote the name, and after that you told about the width, data width. ठीक है, if you use in that way it will be unpacked. But if you use reg 8 down 0 mem, like you define the data width at first place, and after that you wrote that name, ठीक है, then it will be considered as a packed array. So this is the core difference. ठीक है, and the maximum value of for an a packed array, it can be limited, but yeah, minimum you should have this number 6 5 216 bits. ठीक है, at least you should have this one to generate a packed array. ठीक है, at least you should have this and the and in packed array you can only have single bit type only. ठीक है, let's say wire, logic, reg, whatever it's there. ठीक है, it will be single bit type only, it can't be multiple bit in packed array. हाँ, here is a difference. uh they I'll tell you one example also. You'll understand much more. It's a good example. They have written like this 255.2556. ठीक है, now what is this? ठीक है, I yeah, ठीक है, this one I told you, this LSB, this MSB. So LSB here is 0. ठीक है, and MSB here is 255, 254, and whatever down to 1. ठीक है, it's a very wonderful concept. ठीक है, and you can see there are 256 locations. ठीक है, 256 locations are there, and each location is of 8 bit. This each location is of 8 bit, it means like that. ठीक है, so yeah, this is the meaning of that thing. It's a very wonderful. So if you want to find the total size also, na, you can find 8 bit multiplied with 256 locations. So you'll multiply, you will find, you will Find out the total size. Okay, let's find out. Mm, It is 2408 bit. ठीक है? This is the total size. Did you understand the concept? Yeah, thumbs up. You can, one more thing. You can ask any question uh, in the comment box. I'll respond. I'll respond to all those doubts. So I'll be very happy to answer your doubts. So please do ask g- questions. A lot of questions you can ask freely. ठीक है. Part select I have explained how to partially select a vector. ठीक है. So yeah, we'll see in this only. So yeah, in this they are saying. Mm, So yeah, we'll move to that problem statement. So the problem statement is that I'll explain you the problem statement. So the problem statement is build a combinational circuits that split the half word. ठीक है? Like the input is 16 bit. ठीक है? Given the input is 16 bit. You have to split in two halves. ठीक है? One in per. ठीक है? That will be 8 bit and other small bits, lower bits, that will be 7 down 0. ठीक है? You have to split in the two parts. ठीक? And then you have to assign, and then you have to assign this to output high and this to output low. You understand the concept, right? Huh? So we'll move to solve the problem. So we'll use assign, assign statement. Output, we'll start with uh, assigning lower significant bit. So we'll assign 15 down to 8 input dot assign out high to 7 down 0 input. Yeah, yeah, the syntax is correct. Okay, so yeah, I have used an semicolon. Yeah, I will remove that. Mm, Okay, some error is there. Let me check. Mm. So yeah, okay. So yeah, I did a mistake. Like I assigned opposite bits. ठीक है. So yeah, we have to assign 15 down 8 to output high, and then the lower significant bit to output low. I assigned the opposite. Yeah, but now it's correct and it will work fine. So yeah, it's a success. You can see that also. Like the input is 35, 24. Okay, 3524. So the upper bits will be, I'll explain you. So 3524, ठीक है. So every is 4 bit. You, ठीक है. So total 16 bit will be there. So this must be given to output high and this must be given to output low. ठीक है. So here we have done that thing only. Output high is 35 and output low is 24. That's it. We have analyzed the waveforms also. So we'll move to the next program. So the next program is there is a 32-bit vector. Okay, there is 32-bit vector. ठीक है. Now we have to build a circuit which will reverse the ordering of that bit. ठीक है. Whatever A is there and large D is there. ठीक है. So it will come as MSB, like whatever the MSB is there, it will go as LSB, and whatever the LSB is there, it goes to that MSB, like that. So how to swap that thing? So we'll use the partial select thing, because if you observe, you can uh, see that whatever they have written, I'll take a small array, not that big one. So if you observe that they are doing this thing, matlab, if they are converting that MSB into LSB, right, it should start with small d. Okay, small d then d, like that, but it's starting with the capital one. So they are doing that. This thing will be the MSB, and after that this thing, the pattern should not break. The pattern should uh, be like that only. First one is capital and then all the small. First one is capital, then small. First one is capital, then small. Like that. So they are not breaking the pattern. First one is capital, then small. ठीक है? D, C, B, A. Like that they are doing. But the pattern should be same. So how will we do this? We'll use partial select. So we'll use assign output. So yeah, 32 bit. So 4 byte. ठीक है? It means 8 bit long is there. So we'll use input 7 down 0. ठीक है. We'll assign initially, so we'll write the other code. 23 down 16 equal to 15 down 8. Down 8 equal to this 23 down 16. So yeah, it's correct. It's working. Yeah. So you can see, right? Mm. These bits only got reversed. Then 35, then 15, then 12. Okay. So what we did in this, like we assigned the initially 8 bit. This was the this was the LSB. Okay. We assigned this 8 bit exactly to the MSB of output. Okay. Then we moved to the other 8 bit part. We assigned it to the second most second most significant bit. Okay. So and this part was the third most least significant. So we assigned it to third most significant part. And last, the MSB part, that 8 bits exactly, was assigned to the LSB of that output vector. Okay. So we'll move to the vector gates part. So hi guys. So we will be continuing this question series in next part. So yeah, till then, I'll be uploading this part only, and the other problems will